Okay, now what we'll do, we already started the application. Now if you're seeing we don't have any database thing. Okay, now I need to open. I want to test my application. What we need to use? Postman. Now I want to open Postman is open. And now Postman, what is the local host 8080 port and what is that? API is the my what is this? Request mapping. Where is that? You can go here. Controller API is a request mapping after that create. Okay. Now what I need to do? API slash create. That's it. Create. Now go to the body. Then what you need to pass? Employee ID, employee name, employee address, salary. Then my model class entities and it should be proper. Then employee ID, employee ID, employee ID for example 100 and employee name. Employee name may be Raju should be no problem. Anyone. Employee address maybe Hyderabad. Hey, I already started recording. Started. Okay. Next, what? Employee salary. Add employee salary here, for example, 1 lakh. Okay. Now I am adding employee ID, employee name, employee ID. This is the double. That is the reason I can. This is the double or what I give an employee salary. Employee salary double I give it. Then it should not be this one, right? That's that's it. Now I'm passing this value. Okay, what happened? Basically bad request 400. Why bad request? Okay. Now if you got a bad request, what we need to do? Go to the your okay. Go to the your coding and see what is the issue. EMP type mismatch. Employee entity, EMP ID, arguments. Default message is employee field conversion null. This is the problem. Okay. Now, always it's previously. Okay. Now we will do debug mode. You will get to know. Okay. Now how to run the debug. Now we can put it here and run the debug mode. The employee ID is properly created. Okay. Anyway. Now we can put a debug here. Then you create a save implementation. Debug here and we'll see. Now it's run. Now in debug mode, how to do? You can go ahead with your Postman and clicking on this guy. And clicking on this guy, oh, I didn't run debug mode. Ah, Started. Now go here. Clicking on the debug. What happened? It's not going there only. Employee controller, employee, employee entity, field error in object, employee entity. No fields EMP ID. How come? Selected value. Pass wrong. EMP. EMP. Yeah, Jason. Beautiful. What EMP ID is string error. I'm not giving any string type, right? Bad request. Hmm. Before only it's API create. Okay, API create. Slash create. Mm-hmm. Rejected entity arguments employee dot arguments default employee ID default message failed to convert value type null to required type into. Okay, failed to convert. Why this is? Okay, for example, in this now it's setting like that. Okay, you don't need to do anything directly. You can copy paste what is happening here. Don't copy in the real time. Just if you're doing POC only, you can copy. Real time, don't copy this way because real time entire error don't copy. Just what is the error type that only we need to copy. Okay, employee ID Java like into null value. This is causing the problem. Change the data type is integer. Oops. But Java into type int type is primitive type cannot concept null. If this is a possible that employee ID be null, it should be wrapper. But we are not sending any null value, right? Yeah, I don't know why it is. Okay, anyway, I'll convert this guy to integer. Right click and run debug. Stop and run. Okay, we'll try it. If not work, then I'll fix this issue and tomorrow I'll tell you what is the issue. Okay. And we have to waste your time and my time. It is easy fix only. We'll see. What should be this or this? Okay. 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 But still same. Okay. Employee entity, field error, object, employee entity, and field employee rejected the null value. How come? Type mismatch. Employee ID, type mismatch. Int type ID mismatch. Yeah, same error. Integer I have the problem here. Here employee. Oh, in the controller, you have to add request body, right? Then how can I get? If it is without request body, I can't get. Next, without request param, I can't get request param. Request. Okay. Here also request param. Request param. Again, this is employee, no need. This is also request param. That's it. This is the problem. We are not getting anything. Integer you can add it. Or integer you can. Now this will work 100, 200. That's why you have forgot. Previously it was, I have added it. This request body it will convert. Okay. Now what happened? Now server started. We're pushing the message to this guy. Okay. Debug mode came. See now. Now debug mode came. Now this employee, see what is employee data. We're going to the here. Employee data or something here. Okay, now we're saving this. Now where it will go? It will go to the here. Implementation. Now it will come here. This mystical symbol you can pass. Okay, this is done. Okay, here it came data. Okay, now I'm saving the database. It's saving the database. On save database, okay, maybe what we get is exception. No problem. We know where to resolve it. Okay, now it's going to the while saving, we are getting the data exception. No default constructor entity. Okay, entity class. Then what we are adding? Instead of this guy, we can use at the all our constructor. Now all our constructor I have added it. Then run it. Commit. This RR constructor is a where what is called Lambda annotation. I already told you. It will declare the RR constructor. Now again, put it again simply again throw exception. What will do? What is the exception? No default constructor entity by default constructor. Why need to do? Okay. Required constructor. I I require constructor. Data. Data lab. This is the last try. If not working, I'll try in my one. Then I will show you yesterday what is the issue also. Today what is the issue also. Sometimes this model and are not working. Okay. Then we can send the request. Then came here, go here, save database. Now saved successfully. Done. Now this symbol you can proceed. Now this guy is giving, hey, employee record saved successful in DB. Hey, I don't believe, I don't know. He's telling like, employee successfully, but I don't know if saving or not. Then simply you can go to the DB, show tables, employee entity, select star from employee entity. See, 100 Raju Hyderabad. No, I don't want to see database. Then how can I get it? Very simple. Get, this is a post, right? Get mapping, get mapping. And go to the controller. Here, what you are giving? Get employee based on I. Get employee based on I. Now, get employee. Now you can pass ID 100. It should give your first record. Alright. API slash get employee. It's first record. Get request only. Okay. No problem. Where employee equal to 100. Then employee entity. Okay. Employee salary. Hmm. Type integer is not present. Yeah, what? Why type safety and all these are int, it should be integer, right? I don't know. Okay, anyway, integer. It is okay. Uh, integer and all. Now what happened? Okay, I'll add it one more record, 10 to 15 records, so that you can understand all the things. Come on. Post employee create 20 Rani BLR 10,000 successfully 300 Bonum BLR 5,000 400 Geeta BLR 5,000 and 500 some and okay. I want all the values. We will see. Hmm? Get only all values will put it is coming or not. What inserting? Inserted. Okay. Tap. Go to controller. Then all employees. We will see it's coming or not. Based on that, we can plan. Because whenever one record rate see now it's coming all records. See, this is the first record, this is the second record, this is the third record, this is the fourth record, this is the fifth record. No, I'm not still believing. Then you go to here and select star from employee and check. See, so many records are inserted just now. This is a way how to write all the methods. Now what I am planning to do, each method I will explain in debug mode. Okay, tomorrow. Each method, how to debug. When it sends the request, how it is coming there, where it is going tomorrow. And day after tomorrow, I will write one more microservice. This is a microservice. Employee, right? I'll call one more microservice called department. I'll write. I'll call from employee to department. That is a one microservice, another microservice using REST template. These two I will use it. After that, I'll I'll write a I'll tell you theory, microservice theory, and all tools. Okay, I think so. I'm done. Okay, maybe we will connect with tomorrow. Tomorrow for debugging and each method. Each method I will show you how to delete, how to add, how to update, how to create, how to get one value. All it. Okay. Okay. Thanks. Bye bye.